Once again to another lesson on Build. Let's take a look at how to reconcile your cash and bank accounts on Build. To do this, kindly click on Accounting on the dashboard menu and then proceed to clicking on Bank Reconciliation. Over here, what we are going to do is that we are going to make sure that the entries or every transaction that we have in our bank statement or cash or Momo statements are the same as what we have in Build. So we are going to reconcile these accounts together. Now on Build, before you do this, you would have already set up your chart of accounts or set up your various cash or bank accounts on Build. So they would automatically pop up here. So assuming we want to reconcile our mobile money account or our bank account, all we have to do is select that particular account and then we can proceed with the reconciliation. Now let's select the account. For this purposes, let's use EcoBank. Now you need to select the period for which you are reconciling for. So assuming I want to reconcile my EcoBank account for the month of September or October or August or even July, all I have to do is enter the period or enter the dates. Now this pop-up will appear for you to fill the information. Over here, we are going to enter the starting date or the beginning date as it appears on our hard copy bank statement. So assuming I'm reconciling for the month of August or the month of September, I'll just add the opening date and then I'll also add the closing date as it shows on the bank statement. So that would be the 30th of August. Now once I do this, the moment I enter the starting date, it will give me the balance on Build automatically. So I'll now check if that is the same as what's on my opening balance on my bank statement, and if not, that means that is a point for caution. Now let's take a look at the ending date as well. Once I add the ending date, the Build account balance would also automatically pop up. And then lastly, I'll need to add the balance that is showing on my bank statement. So assuming at the end of August I have just 5,000 Ghana cedis in my bank account, the moment I enter it, it will show me the difference between the account balance on Build and that on my hard copy bank statement or my soft copy bank statement. Now once you're done entering the periods and getting the difference and the respective amount for both periods, kindly just click on Save and then you'll be moved to this interface. Over here, assuming we had lots of transactions in this particular account, you'll see all of that over here. And then we just cross check with the hard copy or the soft copy statement that we have, and then make sure that whatever is here and is not in there would be taken out, and whatever is in our bank statement, the hard copy version would also be captured in Build. Now to add those transactions, all you have to do is you click on add a transaction. So if it's an inflow into the bank statement, you click on record an inflow to record this inflow, and then if it's an outflow, you click on record outflow to capture that expense. Now once you are done, you would see that the statement balance and the Build balance would become the same, and this not equal to sign will change to equal to. And once this is done, it means your books are now balanced. This will bring us to the end of this lesson. Stay tuned for further lessons.